Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get the voice chat on Roblox on your iPad. So when you open up Roblox, you want to go on down to More right here, and then you want to go to Settings, and then go to Account Info. Now the most important thing is that you verify your age, so it knows which voice chat to put you in, because the voice chat is divided by your different age groups. So if you scroll on down here, we can go to Age. And just type in your age. You can see there's a little edit option right here. And then type in your age. So you can see my birthday is 1989. And then you can continue with ID, or it will take your picture and it will guess your age. And it will put you in a different age bracket. Right here you can see I'm in the age group 21 plus, and that's where I will be. Then once we have our age verified with our picture, or with like an ID or something like that, we can go over to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Then we can go to Communications, and then go to Experience Chat right here, and just make sure the chat is turned on, so it's on here. And then we can go through the different settings for party and chats, and then we can go to the other options for voice data if we want to have it collected, or the last option is camera input. So just verify your age and make sure that the voice chat is turned on. And then when you're in the game, make sure your mic isn't muted so you can talk to people. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.